Palinox. Innovation, development and manufacture of processing equipment and freezing lines for the food industry. 40 years working for our clients and pursuing their sustainable growth. A pioneer company in the sector and committed to market trends, which offers the most complete and efficient engineering thanks to a complete team of mechanical, electrical and computer engineers. Technologically capable of automating and integrating all the processes that encompass the use of its machinery, also manufacturing automatic weighing and sorting lines, fully configurable and made to measure. Adaptable to the needs of the client and to the dimensions of any processing room. Offering innovative solutions for processing and freezing, fostering excellence in performance. Palinox is a benchmark in the main processing and packing plants in the world. Its advanced state-of-the-art equipment offers producers greater efficiency and maximum profitability, guaranteeing food safety and sustainability. Like the innovative Cyclone IQF forced air freezing system. An individualized deep freezing line with double belt and double air channeling to accelerate the freezing process. Or the brine freezing systems developed by Palinox, based on an innovative water exchange and water flow system without pumps and with exchangers submerged in a tank. Palinox, recognized worldwide for the manufacture of equipment for the food processing industry and with a deep focus on heat treatment equipment such as freezing, cooking and cooling. Palinox, over 40 years leading the sector.